how to use Fresha booking system. So for a short explanation on what it is, so first of all, if you are going for a business management, so it is a platform designed for salons or spas, even barbershops, and including wellness businesses to help manage appointments through the calendar dashboard and basically helping with bookings. But if you are somewhat a client, then it is a booking software or website that pretty much helps you find local self-care services over here. So book local self-care services. So first of all, to get started, if you are a management or some sort of business, you can go ahead over here to log in and press on Fresha for professionals. So manage and grow your business. Go ahead with that process and you should be able to continue and then eventually manage your dashboard. You could sign up and pretty much just integrate your business into the Fresha app. There's even an overview over here you can take a look at to pretty much see what the entire Fresha tool is usable for. So you'll be able to see most of its features and what they are able to do. As you can see over here, there is a dashboard for specific people, their agendas on your business. But anyways, after the setup, you can manage appointments through the calendar dashboard where you schedule the clients, you can assign staff as well, and even block out breaks or unavailable items, or even block out breaks or unavailable times. Clients can also book appointments online, so it's directly done in the website, so you can take a look at the treatments over here and venues. There's going to be top categories, or you can just go ahead and explore yourself. You can take a look at the location. So if you put in your current location, it's just going to show you the available venues for that specific location and of course the time you want it to happen. So it's going to show you available times for it as well, and then you can just go ahead and press and search. There is an app available, but again, it's still available directly in the website. So the platform stores client profiles, appointment history, and notes, which sends automated booking reminders. Pretty much allows you to accept payments online or in person. You can also use built-in tools for marketing promotions, selling products, tracking staff performance, with a generating report about revenue and bookings. But overall, Fresha over here acts as an all-in-one system for scheduling, payments, and customer management to help service businesses stay organized and reduce manual admin work. But of course, you can go ahead and take a look at Fresha itself. You can explore since it is a very user-friendly tool. But that's pretty much the general idea on how Fresha works. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.